Let's make some bruschetta chicken. First, we're going to slice 4 large chicken breasts in half, then set them aside. In a small bowl, add some olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and garlic. Mix well. Then pour your seasoning mixture over the chicken. Next, we're going to take 6 Roma tomatoes and dice them. Add to a bowl, make sure you keep all of the juice. To your diced tomatoes, you want to add some basil, some garlic, some balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Give that a good mix, and you're going to let that sit for at least 30 minutes to marinate. Now it's time to cook our chicken. Add some oil to a hot pan. Then you're going to cook your chicken. Be sure not to put too many pieces in the pan at once. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Cook your chicken at least 3 minutes per side. You want it to be nice and golden brown. Once your chicken is ready, you're going to top it with 1 slice of mozzarella cheese per piece. Cover and let the heat melt the cheese. Meanwhile, let's make our balsamic glaze. You're going to add some balsamic vinegar to a pot as well as some brown sugar. You want to stir that over medium-high heat, and it will be done when it reduces by half. Once your chicken is ready, place it over a bed of pasta. Today I am using linguine pasta. Spoon on your bruschetta topping. Make sure you get all of the juice on there as well. That juice, the marinade that came from the tomatoes, will also help to flavor the pasta underneath. Once you have some on your plate, you can take some of that balsamic glaze and drizzle over the top. This is such an easy and delicious meal. Thank you so much for watching.